Hello and welcome to NEC's 5 communication challenges for care homes. Ensuring first-class patient care, staff organisation and increasing your profits are just some of the daily challenges for successful care homes. So what role do communications play in this? Perhaps more than you realise. Challenge number 1, a limited nurse call budget. Many nurse call systems may no longer be fit for purpose. They can also be increasingly expensive to maintain. However, is replacing your nurse call and your network a feasible option? With NEC's iCall solution, your existing cabling can be used to help reduce the initial expenditure. This unique solution combines nurse call and telephony, creating efficiency for your staff and cost savings for your operations. Challenge number 2. What's the reason for each nurse call? Alert calls from patients require a swift response, but without a direct speech path from the patient, there's no way of gauging the urgency of the call without physically going to the individual room. Staff time can be wasted and prioritising can be impossible. NEC's iCall enables patients to speak directly to nursing staff. This in turn creates quicker responses, a better level of care, and reduces the time-consuming corridor miles for your team. Challenge number 3, more mobility. In a recent study, a worryingly low 22% of staff time was spent providing care. Reachability of your nursing staff across your premises is crucial for your care home operations. NEC's IP-decked cordless handsets provide direct access to staff wherever they are in the building. Using an NEC care home solution can help improve staff efficiency by up to 16%. Challenge number 4, wandering patients. What happens when you realise a patient is wandering or absent? This creates serious safety concerns for both patients and care homes. NEC's wanderer detection bracelets can be integrated with an access control system. Doors, rooms or corridors can be locked down automatically or controlled manually with the press of a button. Keep your patients safe at all times. And finally, challenge number 5, staff ID logging. Logging response times and details of emergency calls is an essential for care homes, and for some, a mandatory requirement for external authorities. But keeping accurate, detailed reports can be challenging. NEC's iCall provides staff ID in the form of a key fob which is scanned when an emergency is called. Further details, such as locations and response times, are logged, providing automated reports, enabling you to monitor, manage and enhance your levels of patient care. Thanks for watching.